Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, solved, fix there is not enough memory to complete this operation. Click File Explorer. Right-click this PC, Properties. Click Advanced System Settings. Click Advanced tab. Click Settings under Performance. Click Advanced tab. Click Change under Virtual Memory. Uncheck Automatically Manage Page and File Size for all drives. Check Custom Size. Type recommended size on initial size and maximum size. Click Set. Click OK. Click OK. Click Apply. Click OK. Click Restart now. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.